Okay, so this week in maths we've been looking at adding and subtracting with decimals. We know there's lots of different words for both, so for adding you can have plus, you can have in addition to, you can have some more than. Subtracting, we're thinking about minus, take away, less than. So we've got the calculation here, 42.64 add 17.81. So the first thing we've been doing is to label our columns so we know how much we're dealing with. So we've got tens, units, decimal point, then we've got tenths, and then we've got hundredths. And I'm now going to fill in my numbers in the right column. So 42.64 add 17.81. And it's really important we stick to those columns, and it's easier if we've got squared paper. We're going to start off with the hundredths over here because we always start adding or subtracting from the lowest value first. So we've got the 4 add the 1, which makes 5, which is nice and easy. Then we've got 8 add 6, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, which makes 14. So I can write the 4 here, but my 1 is going to go up into the next column there. And then I've got 7 add 2 add 1, which makes 10. So I'll put my 0 there and my 1 up there, and then I've got 4 add 1 add 1, which makes 6. Now I forgot to do something, which is put in my decimal point. So I know that 42.64 add 17.81 makes 60.45. I'm going to then have a look at subtraction. So we've got 87.46 subtract 32.19. I'm going to start off in the same way by labelling my columns tens, units, decimal point, tenths and hundredths. I'm then going to fill them in. 87.46 subtract 32.19. Again, I'm going to start off at this side because I start off with the lowest value, and I look at the top number and I think, is that bigger than the bottom number? Well, in this case I've got 6 and I've got 9. I can't do 6 take away 9, so I'm going to have to borrow from the 4. That becomes a 3, and this now says 16 take away 9. So 16 take away 9, well I'll count on from 9, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and I'm left with 7, so I'll put that at the bottom. Now this says 3 take away 1, well 3 take away 1 leaves me with 2. I've got my decimal point. I'm then going to have to look at 7 subtract 2, 7 take 2 away is 5, and 8 take away 3 is also 5. So I know that 87.46 subtract 32.19 is 55.27. Earlier this week we had a look at a maths challenge which was to find Mabel some presents from the Argos catalogue, and we had a £100 voucher to spend looking at all the different things. I wonder now if you could have a challenge, because you could look at the Argos website, and what would you buy if you found a £150 voucher or won a £150 Argos voucher? Could you show me a list of the things that you might buy and use some of the maths that we've done this week to work out how many different things you could buy and if you would get any change? Good luck.